Welcome back guys, welcome back to BitByte Crypto. Hope all of you are doing well in this current pandemic. Today I am going to talk about the fastest growing crypto casino, which is Robit. Here you can see, and it has already wagered 332 plus USD worth of crypto. So here you can see how much crypto they already wagered in this website, and there are many games in this website which you can try definitely with your crypto like Bitcoin or Ethereum. In this video I am going to deposit my Bitcoin in this website and show you how to play different kind of games in this website and how you can be profited in this current situation of COVID-19. So let's start the video after the intro. Let's start talking about the UI of Robit. In the screen all of you can see the UI of Robit is really good, and this is the best and pleasant and minimalistic UI or user interface, and this UI will give all the users more satisfaction, and every users will be definitely satisfied with their gaming experience on Robit. Not only the homepage but all the gaming interface are dynamic with modern design. If I click on Crash, and here you can see this design is really good, and this is an eye-catching and the best user interface in my opinion. Different games has different design and you should really check this out. Everyone will be agree with me that the design or user interface of Robit is really good and colorful to match with the modern design and style. Now let's talk about the registration process on Robit. To make account on Robit, you can check the description box where you will get a link. Click on that link, you will be redirected to this website, which is Robit, and top right corner of the website you can see here registration button. Click on that button and this pop-up window will be opened where you can see a form to submit your details, or you can continue with your Google account or Steam account. So I will demonstrate with the username process. Like first you have input your username. I input ADCS, and then you need to input the date of birth of your, like first you need to input date, then month, then year. Suppose your date of birth is 1st January 1999. You need to input 1st January 1999, just like this. After that you need to input the password which you are willing to use in this website. Always try to use the strong and unique password so that no one can access your account. I will use the demo password like 1234. In here you need to confirm your password 1234. After that if you click on register, then this recaptcha will be pop up and you need to solve this. Already I have an account, I won't do that because if I do that then new account will be created and I don't want that. So if you can solve this captcha, and after that your account will be successfully created. Okay. This was the registration process. After you registered on this website, you need to log in your account. To do that, top right corner of the website you can see here also a login button. Click on that, then a new pop-up window will be opened and you need to input your username and password, then click on login. You will be logged in into your account. Like I input my username and password, then I will click on login. After that I need to solve the recaptcha or captcha. I need to select the vehicles, bus. When you solve the captcha, it will be redirected to your dashboard. Your dashboard will be like this. In here you can see your balance and deposit button, and in here you can see your username. So first thing you need to do after register on Robit, you need to verify your email address. To do that, you click on your username. In here you can see I will click my username. When you click on your username, this option will be pop up and you need to click on account. When you click on account, this pop-up window will be opened, and in here you will see different type of option like general, security, privacy, verification, blocked users. So you need to go to security. When you go to security, you will see here email address. I already verified my email address, that's why it's showing email address has been verified. So when you first come into this option, here you need to input your email address just like me. So Robit will send you a verification email into your email address. So go back to your email inbox or dashboard, check the email which will be sent by Robit. You will get an email like this. In here you can see, hey, review master, and your username will be in here. Like my username is review master, that's why it's showing review master. And in here you can see verify email address. To verify your email address, click on this verify email address button and your email address will be verified. When you verify your email address, then you can play any different kind of games. Now I am going to show you how to deposit on Robit. To do that, you can simply click on this deposit button, or you can click on your username, then go to cashier, and in here you can see Bitcoin and Ethereum. So you can deposit Bitcoin or Ethereum on Robit to play different kind of games on it. In here you can see your deposit address, which you need to copy and send Bitcoin from your personal wallet to this address. You can simply click on copy Bitcoin address to copy this, or if you want to change this address, you can click on request new address. You can send any amount of BTC in this following address and your balance will be reflected to your Robit account instantly. And if that's not happened, then it's required one confirmation to do that. And you can also select Ethereum to deposit on Robit, and you need to send at least 0.001 Ethereum. So the minimum requirement is 0.001 Ethereum, and for Bitcoin there is no minimum requirement. And if you deposit Ethereum on this website, that will need 3 confirmations to be reflected the balance on your account. So I am going with Bitcoin and I will deposit in here. So I will click on copy Bitcoin address. So this is my Bitcoin address, and I will go back to my Coinbase account. In here you can see I have some Bitcoin like 10 USD worth of BTC. So I will in here input the amount I want to send. Then I select $10 and 10 cents. Then in here I will input my input the deposit address which will I get from this website. Then I will always cross check the address is right or not. Always try to check the address, because if the address is wrong, then you will lost your fund and no one will be responsible for this. So it's better to always check the address, is it right or wrong. Like in here Bitcoin address start with 1JP7L. So I will check here 1JP7L, that's right, and the address ended with LAB. So I will check here LAB. So my Bitcoin address is right, then the address is right, and here you can see pay with Bitcoin. And when I click on this send now button, it will be sent to the deposit address. I click on this send now button. It will take some time and your send is in progress. Okay, done. And here you can see this is in pending mode and I can view the transaction. Here you can see within 1 minute I deposit Bitcoin into Robit. So it's really good, and this is instantly reflected on my account balance. Now let's talk about the different type of games on Robit. Here you can see you can play slots, crash, game shows, blackjack, roulette, mines, dice and towers. So if you click on slots, here you can see you can play over 900 available games on Robit. So you can pick any of the games which you want to play. And here you can see the top picks. These games are played by most of the users on Robit. And if I go back to the dashboard, in here you can see Crash and game shows. In here also the famous game which is Blackjack. You can definitely play this Blackjack in different types. In here you can see Blackjack, multi-hand Blackjack, infinite Blackjack, first person Blackjack. Different types of blackjacks available on Robit, so you can definitely try this. And there are also others options like roulette, mines, dice and towers. So I will demonstrate you with the Crash and towers. So first I will click on Crash. So I will play with my real balance. If you are new in this website, or if you are new in this type of games or in these types of casino, then you can play with demo. Robit also have the functionality for the newbies who can play with the demo and practice more and increase their experience on this website. So I am going to bid 1 USD and cash out will be 1.10, and this then I will click on place bet. Then my bet will be placed. Okay, I lost already, and I will again place this. In this game you need to place, like I bet $1 and you will cash out on when the price will be 1.10. Then I will click in here place bet and it will be placed, and it will automatically cash out when the target hits on this. Like this graph will go further. And in here you can see I place 3 bets. First one I don't get anything back return because my target don't get full. And in here you can see it was the first bet option which crashed on 1.09 and my place was 1.10. so I don't get any return and my $1 was deducted from my account. And the next bid was $1 and my target was 1.10, and that's hit and I get 1.10 in return. And my third was 1.10 and it's also hit the target and I get the return in my account. And in here you can see 9.178 in my account in total. So this was the Crash game, and you can definitely check this out. In simple word, you need to guess how the graph will go and how much it will increase. Like this graph is growing and growing, like it's already crossed the 11x 12x. So you need to bid. If you bid $1 and you want this auto cash out like 1.10, or if you want to double it and then cash out it, then you can put here 2. So when the graph hits 2x, then you will get your return in your account. So in here if I select 2 and I place bid and my bid is placed, and if this hits 2x, then my account will, then I get the return. In here you can see my last bid, which was Crash game and user review master. I place $1 and I want 2x return, and this rocket went crossed the 2x in the last time and I get the payout on my account. And now that you can see my balance is 10.178, which was previously 9.178. so you can play this game. Now I will demonstrate you the towers game with my real balance. So in here you can see bid amount. If you want to place $1, you can input here 1, and if you want to play with $10, then you can write here 10. So I will go with $1, and you can select which mode you want to play, like easy, medium or hard. So I will play with the easy mode, and if you want to play with medium mode, it will give you a high return, and if you play on hard mode, it will give you high return. but always remember high return comes with high risk. So always try to play with easy mode. Then you need to click on start new game. Then you need to select any of these, and if your selection is right, then you will get this returned, and if your selection is wrong, then you will lose the amount. Like I will select this and my guess was wrong. You need to select those option which has a star in the behind. So again I play this game, start new game. In here I will select again this, and again my guess is wrong and I lost $1. Then again I click on new game and my guess is right, and if I want to go further, then I will choose, and if you want to cash out this profit, then simply click on cash out and you will get the return on your account. So I will click simply cash out. I am in the my wagers section, and in here you can see my last played 3 games on towers. Like first guess was wrong, that's why I lose $1. Second guess was wrong, that's why I also lose $1, and my guess was right and I get returned 1.455 in my account, which you can see in here. So if I want to go with the again, if I want to play the game, then I again click on start. Then I need to select any of this, then I will go for it, and it's right. And if I want to click here, if it's right, then I will get the return. If I want to cash out, then I will get 2.1170 in return with my bid amount. And if I want to go further, then I have to select any of this. If my guess is right, then I will get 3.08803, and if my guess was wrong, then I will lose everything. So I will go for it like this, and my guess is right and I want to cash out this, then I will click on this cash out button and I will get 3.080. Here you can see my bid amount was $1 and I get 3.08x in return, and I get 3.08 USD in return with my bid amount, and my previous account balance was $7, and now you can see my account balance is $10.713. So you can definitely play any of these games. So my favorite game is Crash and Towers. You can also play Mines, Dice. Okay, you can also play Mines. So I am going to demonstrate one time. So in here you also need to input the amount of your bid, and you can select $1 or $10 which you want to do, and in here I select $1 and number of mines. So in this screen you can see there are 25 square box, and only 5 will be mines. If you want to select 10, then you can select 10, or if you want to select 1, you can select 1. So I will go with 5. So 5 out of 25 will be mines, and other won't be mine. So after selecting these options, you can click on start game, and you need to select any of these box, and if your guess is right, and you will get it. And like I select this, and there is no mines in this box, and I get 1.2x in return. In here you can see my bid amount was 1, and now I have 1.21. If I want to cash out now, I can just click on this, or if I want to go with this amount, then I click on other box of this. Like I will select this one, and these ones don't have mines on this. Then I can also now cash out the 1.5853, or I can continue my play. Then I will continue. I will select this, and my guess is right, and I get 1.96. and if now I want to cash out, because I don't want to continue this, then I will click on cash out button, and this balance will be reflected in my account. you can see I get 1.96. so my previous balance was $10 something, and now you can see my balance is 11.673. so you can play different games on Robit and earn a lot of money in this current pandemic from your home. Now let's talk about the withdrawal option and how you can withdraw from this website. To withdraw any amount from this website, you need to click on your username, then click on cashier, and in here also pop up this section, and in here you can see deposit option. Besides, you can see here withdraw option. Click on this withdraw button. When we click withdraw button, and it will show like this Bitcoin. In here you can see my balance, and first you need to input the Bitcoin address in here where you will receive your fund, and then you need to input your balance. Like if I want to withdraw $11, I will input here 11, and my transaction fee will be deducted from this balance, which will be 2.82. and you need to bear in mind that the minimum withdrawal amount is $10. You cannot withdraw any amount which is less than $10. so if your account balance is more than $10 or 10 equal $10, then you can definitely withdraw that. And after that, if I click on withdraw funds, this will withdraw my funds in my Bitcoin address. And if you want to withdraw Ethereum, then you can also withdraw Ethereum, and withdraw minimum withdrawal amount for Ethereum is $5. And in here just you need to input the Ethereum address, then your amount, and fee will be 0.85 USD. so you can select any of this to withdraw your funds. So I already show you how to deposit, how to withdraw. Now let's talk about the support of Robit, which is really good. They provide 24/7 supports to the users. To get any kind of help from the support team of Robit, then you need to click on your username, and there you can see live support. Then click on live support, and in here you can get live support from Robit team, and it's really good, and they are really active on this website 24/7. They give support all the users. If I message them, they will definitely reply less than 1 minute, and this is really good. So I cannot demonstrate you because I don't need any kind of help. So if you need any kind of help, you can chat with the Robit support team, who are really good. And so don't waste your time. Check the description box, click the link, make your account, and start playing different kind of games on Robit and make huge amount of profit. And see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, stay safe, stay with crypto.